Today I'm going to be making a really simple dough that I use all the time when I make fruit tarts. And here are the ingredients that we need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter that is really soft, 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar, that's also called powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. It's a lot of vanilla. You may cut that down if you wish, but in this recipe I do like a really nice strong vanilla flavor, so I'm using 1 tablespoon. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So our first step, I'm going to get my soft butter into my bowl, and I'll get my egg in there as well. And then we'll grab my mixer, and I'm just going to start breaking down my butter. And you can see how nice and soft my butter is. So I'm going to whip this up for a minute and then I'll come back. And then I'm going to sift in my icing sugar. Perfect. And I'll mix this in. This is a really fast and simple recipe. And this is just a really good dough. You'll try this once and you will really enjoy this. You can see how the addition of that sugar really helps bring all of this together. And now I can really get in there and cream this well. Okay, so I've been creaming this for about 30 seconds or so. I'll slow my mixer down and I'll get in all of my lovely vanilla. That's pure vanilla. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, once that's well combined, I'm going to sift in my flour. That's perfect. And we'll grab our mixer for our last time. Speed number 1. I do not want a dust cloud because flour will tend to fly around just like cocoa powder does. And now I'm just going to slowly get this incorporated. And this is a dough that needs to be refrigerated before we actually use it because it is a very soft dough. So I've been mixing this for not even a minute and you can see how well this has really come together. And at this point I don't want to overwork it, so I'm just going to clean my beaters off. And that's it for the actual recipe. And I'm going to grab my bowl scraper and get all of this together. And then we're going to get this into plastic wrap and then we're going to get it into the fridge to chill. So I'll do that next. So I'm going to split this into 2 discs. Just want to average this out. So I get 2 discs of equal size. I just want to get this into a circle. I'll get the plastic wrap down and then pat it out. As always, try to get it as flat and as uniform in thickness as possible. This just makes it so much easier to roll out after it's been chilled. That's nice. And then our last one. And disc number 2. And you'll use this as you would for any other pie, except that this is going to be much sweeter. If you're making anything like a fruit tart, you know, with pastry cream in it, this is really the way to go. You'll really enjoy this. So that's basically it for this video. I'm not going to be doing anything else in this video. I am going to be using 1 or 2 of these discs in another video, and you're welcome to watch that video. I will link to it at the end, and I'll also put a link in the description box in case you want to check out what I actually did with this dough. That is just beautiful stuff. So there we have it. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.